How to fix this application has requested the runtime to terminate it in an unusual way. So let's get started. How to do this? In order to do this, open control panel, and once you're in control panel, just click on uninstall a program. Now search for this Microsoft Visual C++. Just delete every file containing Microsoft Visual C++. And once you're done, just open Chrome or any browser you like and search for Visual C++. Click on the first link which appears here and download latest version supported V14 for Visual Studio 2017 to 26. Just click on this and click on x64. Once you click on this, it will download the file, and after that you have to open file, agree to the terms and conditions, and click on install. Once you do this, click yes, and then once this says setup successful, just close this and restart your PC. Once you restart your PC, your problem should be solved, and if your problem still occurs, make sure to leave a comment down below that your problem has not been solved, so we will bring a detailed guide on this video. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, and thanks for watching.